Okay, first we're going to remove the caps. There are 4 caps. Then simply pry the vessel. There may be some instance that it could get a bit that it is a bit stuck. So just use be careful with the screen, guys. I never touch the screen, so I just only touch the metal part here. So okay, it's just simple as that. There's 2 more screws here on the bottom, 1 on each side. Okay, that's 1. There's another one here. And that's the time you can take this out. Okay guys, this is an LED screen because it doesn't have an inverter. So the part number is LTN156AT05. Make sure you have to match it exactly with the part number. The next gonna be opening the motherboard to replace any component inside the machine. Let's go there.